Hi, guys, and welcome to my first unboxing video with Farmasi. I actually joined Farmasi on February 1st, and today I received my package this morning. So I am just opening it up for you guys to see all the products that I did receive. So I did do a la carte. I didn't go with the enrollment package that was offered. And I only did that only because I wanted to go ahead and just try the products out for myself. So as you can see, the box is loaded. So I had the eyebrow and lash serum. Also had the hairspray that I'm excited to try out. And also the CC cream. And I also did receive the body wash. I didn't get it in a kit, which it is offered. I just got the body wash and the matching scrub set. I was trying to open it just to kind of get a quick little whiff of how good it smelled, but wasn't able to get to it just yet because I have a lot of products to show you guys. That is the coffee with the collagen. That is the aftershave balm from the Masking line. Also, the Restore, which I will be taking it at night. And also my electrolytes. So excited. Hopefully, I can replace the ones I'm currently using. That is the Aloe Glow, which I will be putting it in my water. And that is the scrub that I mentioned to you guys earlier. And that is the Full Blast Mascara, which I did get it for free. And another different mascara. See, and another pack of the electrolyte drink mix. And that is the lipstick, which I also got free as well. Okay, and that is the lip gloss, which I will keep that in my purse at all times. That is the toothpaste. And for this product, I thought it was the apple cider gummies that I did order, but instead they gave me a supplement for menstrual, which I wish I had it sooner, but hey, I get to try it for the next time. Right, and that is the L-carnitine, which I'm excited to try because I do be needing a little boost of energy. And that is the small sample of the one of the colognes for the men. So I did go through all the a la carte products that I had. So this is the welcome kit. So the welcome kit is $20. So you can just go with the kit if you're not able to purchase none of the starter kits that they do offer. Or of course you can always just go with the a la carte method like I did. So I'm opening up the box. It comes with this cute pharmacy paper and it does have various skin samples, which one of them, the first sample was a skincare sample. That is a shampoo sample. And what I like about the samples is when you go on the inside of it, it does lay out as far as what each of the samples are and just a little background information on it. See, there's another sample with info. And that is the tea tree, which is the skincare line, right? And yep, they give you both the face wash and the face cream. And this is their hydrating, I believe, skincare, which is nice little sample pack. All right. And the first sample pack is their massage oil. One of them I did hear rave reviews about. So I'm definitely going to be doing a review on that very soon. Okay. Some more looks like hair samples, if I'm not mistaken. And that is looks like some of the makeup primer samples as well. And there are two cute pharmacy bags that it does come with. And also looks like that is their elixir, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And that is the CC cream samples. And looks like we also have another pack of samples as well. And that is it for the welcome kit. But like I said, if you cannot take advantage of getting your starter kit well, your enrollment kit, that is, with all the products. You do have 30 days from your enrollment date to take advantage of the discounted kits with all the products. But in the meantime, you are definitely more than welcome to get started with pharmacy with getting their $20 enrollment kit. So I'm going to go ahead, get my products organized, get it all together, and see which products that I'm currently using now that I can go ahead and switch to pharmacy. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I definitely hope you enjoy this video. And I am looking forward to talking with you guys soon. Thank you so much. Bye.